I am super excited to announce that Progressive IMS Outdoors is coming back to Atlanta. They are going to be here from October 29th through the 31st. If you're like me and want to test ride all of the motorcycles, then I encourage you to come on down. Also, if you are interested in learning to ride or have a family member or friend that is, encourage them to come on down, because for the first time, IMS is really focusing on the riding experience and teaching new riders. So there is actually going to be an instructional course for a brand new motorcyclist. If you've never ridden a motorcycle but are interested to see what it's all about and if it's for you, this is the perfect opportunity. I highly encourage you to come on out and check it out. This event is family friendly, so come on down. I encourage you to bring the kids. There'll be stuff for them to do in the fun zone. Kawasaki and Yamaha are going to be doing side-by-side demo rides, which is actually something new to me. I'm very excited to try this out. And then of course there's going to be demo rides from the leading industry manufacturers, so you know that's where I'll be. I want to test ride all of the bikes, and I hope you guys do too.